Welcome to Lab. We will be learning about alcohols, aldehydes, and ketones today. Please review your text about these concepts. Let's go over some safety. As always, goggles and apron must be on at all times. People with long hair need to put their hair up, and any dangling clothing or accessories, such as jewelry, need to be taken care of. Part 1 is a dry lab. In Part 2, you are asked to identify the odor of different aldehydes and ketones.
When you smell a chemical, you never put your nose near the glassware. You use your hand to waft the odor toward your nose. Don't inhale, just a quick sniff. Make sure to put the cap back right away.
When you think of the odor, try to come up with the origin of the odor. For example, butanol smells like fresh bread. In Part 3, you will be mixing deionized water with different alcohols that increase by 1 carbon each.
Make sure that you read the labels carefully. Organic chemicals have very similar names and may only differ by 1 number, so be extra careful that you have picked up the correct chemical. Solubility of liquids is called miscible for soluble or immiscible for insoluble. Add the water to each test tube with the alcohol previously added and shake well. If you see a single layer of liquid, the alcohol is miscible in water. If you see 2 layers, the alcohol is immiscible in water. How many carbons does it take to make the alcohol insoluble in water?
In Part 4, you will be testing to determine if aldehydes and ketones can be oxidized. You will be performing the Tollens Test, which uses silver nitrate as the oxidizing agent.
Silver nitrate turns proteins brown to black, which includes your skin. Please be very careful. The stain will last from a week to over a month. After you make the silver mirror, you will be using nitric acid to remove the silver mirror off the bottom of the test tube. Nitric acid turns proteins yellow, which includes your skin. Please be very careful. The stain will last for a week or 2.
If you need help with any of the write-up, please speak with your instructor.